All right, let's talk about a totally different way of thinking about our oral health today. And we're going to do it by looking at a product called ProDentim. It's making some pretty big claims, saying it's the secret to healthier teeth and gums. So we're going to break it all down and see what the science actually says.
Okay, so let's kick things off with a question that's honestly a bit of a mind-bender. Have you ever thought about this? We find teeth in fossils that are thousands of years old, just perfectly preserved. But in our own mouths, they can get ruined by something as simple as a piece of chocolate. It doesn't quite add up, right? So what is really going on here?
Well, the answer leads us to this really surprising dilemma in modern dental care. And get this, it looks like the main culprit isn't just sugar.
It turns out the culprit might actually be the very products we trust to keep our teeth clean. Yeah, I know. Many common dental products, certain toothpastes, mouthwashes, they can contain ingredients that are just too harsh, and they end up disrupting the delicate ecosystem in our mouths. In the process of killing the bad bacteria, they can end up wiping out all the good stuff too, leaving our teeth and gums kind of defenseless.
And that right there, that leads us to a huge breakthrough in how we understand oral health. It all centers on the importance of the good guys, the good bacteria.
And this isn't just some wild theory, the science behind it is pretty compelling. A big study in the Springer Nature publication found a super clear, direct link. People who have really good teeth consistently have a high population of beneficial bacteria in their mouths. So this suggests a healthy mouth isn't sterile, it's actually a thriving ecosystem.
This whole community has a name. It's called the oral microbiome. You can think of it like a tiny, complex world inside your mouth with trillions of microorganisms, both good and bad. And just like with our gut health, which we hear so much about these days, keeping that balance is absolutely essential. And you can really see the difference here. A healthy microbiome is just packed with good bacteria that act as a natural defense system for your teeth and gums. But a damaged one, well, it gets weakened by those harsh ingredients we mentioned, and that leads to an imbalance that can cause all sorts of dental issues.
Okay, so if the root of the problem is a lack of good bacteria, then what's the solution? Well, this is exactly where our product like ProDentim comes into the picture.
ProDentim is designed with one single-minded purpose: to repopulate your mouth with beneficial bacteria. The whole idea is to address the root cause of that imbalance we've been talking about.
And we are talking about a powerful dose here. Each tablet contains a unique blend of 3.5 times billion probiotic strains and nutrients. That is a significant amount, and it was chosen specifically to support your oral health.
So what exactly is in this formula? Let's pop the hood and take a closer look at what makes it tick.
The core of ProDentim is built around 3 clinically researched probiotic strains. First, there's Lactobacillus paracasi, which helps support your gums and even keep your sinuses clear. Then you've got Lactobacillus reuteri, which helps with inflammation and just promotes a healthy mouth environment. And finally, B-lactis BL04, which supports bacterial balance and even your immune system.
But it doesn't stop with the probiotics. It also includes this proprietary blend of plants and minerals. There's inulin, which basically acts as food, a prebiotic for the good bacteria. Malic acid is in there to help maintain tooth whiteness. Tricalcium phosphate is there to support tooth health. And of course, peppermint, which is a great natural anti-inflammatory. And using it is designed to be incredibly simple. It's a doctor-formulated mix that comes as a soft, dissolvable candy. You just slowly chew one tablet every morning, and that's it. That's how you support the health of your entire body, gums, and teeth.
So the formula sounds impressive on paper, right? But what really matters is what are actual users saying. Let's look at some of the results people have reported.
To start, the product has gathered over 95,000 customer reviews. That's a huge number, and it really suggests a widespread and pretty positive response from its users. Check out this one from Sam in Dallas. He says, "I've always taken such good care of my teeth, but it always felt like I wasn't doing enough. Now, for the first time in decades, my teeth feel amazing." I mean, I think a lot of people can probably relate to that feeling. Then we've got Portia from Florida, who brings in a layer of professional validation. She says, "It's just unbelievable how much I like ProDentim. I'm so glad my dentist recommended it to me." That's a pretty big deal. And finally, here's Theo from Chicago, who really focuses on the peace of mind aspect. He says, "My gums have never looked better. It feels so good to not have to worry about my teeth. I simply love it." And that feeling of not having to worry, that's huge. Now, for anyone who might be on the fence, this is a crucial point.
Every single order is backed by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with the results for any reason, you can get a full refund. That makes trying it out essentially risk-free.
So, if you're interested in trying it out for yourself, let's just quickly go over the options that are available on the official product page.
They offer a few different packages. You'll notice that the 3 and 6 bottle options both come with free shipping, with that 6 bottle package being highlighted as the best value.
And that best value package also includes 3 free bonuses to sweeten the deal. These are digital guides designed to complement the product, covering things like a 1-day detox for bad breath and how to achieve whiter teeth at home.
So the key takeaway here is that a healthy mouth might depend more on fostering good bacteria than on simply eliminating the bad. If this scientific approach to oral care resonates with you, you have to ask yourself, what could a balanced oral microbiome do for your health? To learn more and to see all the offers we just discussed, go ahead and click the link in the description to visit the official ProDentim page.